welcome back to Kenner Lifestyle channel. Yeah, man, this is my day with Kenner the Lifestyle. So we are head out there in the morning now. Yeah, man, it's still morning right now, although me take long to get drive. Look at things I see my brethren doing to carry me. Yeah, man, so today me get to understand today is no movements there, so that's why I couldn't get no drive. Yeah, man. I would but taxi me see I drive past me empty and have one passenger in the front seat and me I stop them and they not stop, so me I wonder what go on. I didn't know that today is no movements day. Yeah, man, but here's the time. I don't know if you guys can see the time. It's 9:35 right now. Yeah, man, I'm gonna finally get myself one watch and I can swim in the water and know the time. Yeah, man, so it's 9:35 right now. So I head out right now and so I can find, hopefully I can find some lovely size fish today. Yeah, man, so just stay tuned and watch what I go on. And we are looking to find some barracuda and some snapper in the morning. Yeah? Yeah, man, peace out. Hey guys, right here so I saw one lovely size skin fish. Yeah, man, when I file fish them, so a lovely size one. And me there so I get Brett to go down there upon him so I can get to shoot him. And when I do get the Brett and dive down, that's because I up on where I go down here. You see when I up on where I go down, I never swear him went, so I take my time I look for him over the rock. And when I do see him over the rock now, I try to line him up properly to shoot him. In turn, side and side the sphere. Yes, guys. Right here, I love the mud jack as him come towards me. So I'm gonna take the dive on it, line it up. I have me a swim up and down. So I take my time and line it up now. And then I shoot it, and I shoot it right inside the tail part. So I dive down on it. And I see where I went, so I did here. I look at me see him between the rock them also. So unfortunately, I never get to seeing fish. That's why I could have shoot him. I don't know where I'm going to hide. towards the right hand side. So I didn't chase it down. Because it don't make any sense around down the fish. But most of the time when I run them down, they just end up to get wilder than how they are wild. Right here, so I saw this lovely gold tail above the rock. When it saw me coming, it started to swim off and trying to hide. So when I go down there now, the part like it didn't notice that I'm coming towards that side, and it peeped out. When it peeped out, I sprayed him right in the side. You see him right there? Yeah, I sprayed him right in the side and break his bone. Right here, this is a random dive. I didn't saw anything on this dive. I just decided I'm going to dive down to see if I saw anything around. Right here, so I saw this lovely size squab. Dived down on it, and it went underneath the little ledge there on the rock top. Yeah, it went underneath a little ledge. Right there, where you see that opening that I'm going down. Yeah, right there, so in there. Yeah, so I look underneath there, I see him. I'm gonna spear him right underneath there. I saw this grunt before I swim across the rock. So I dive down, take my time and go around the rock. When I go around the rock, I didn't saw him at first. And then when I saw him, I speared it, but Unfortunately, I didn't spear it properly because he was just sitting in the corner. And then I saw him and first I saw another one. So when I do speared it, it speared right in the top part of his head, but it didn't spear properly. I take this dive on this pinky part and then I went down there and started to swim off. So I'll try to line it up, see if I could get it. But unfortunately I missed it by a inch. Yeah, I missed it by a inch. I went up back. I saw the next one towards the left hand side underneath the rock. He was hiding me, so I saw him going down there. He was a little bit bigger. I speared this jack off camera. Yes guys, just see up on me. So sorry. I couldn't even get the record. All I could do I just speared it and then record it. Yeah, man, it's a lovely size jack. Nice eating jack. Very, very nice eating jack. Yes, as I saw this lovely red belly on top of this rock. When I went down there, the red belly started to swim up and down and tried to swim off. So I went down there, lay down on the top of the rock and tried to get a good aim on it so I can shoot it. So when I pressed the trigger right here, I don't know what happened, but I missed a lovely size spot. We got reaching back on land now. Yeah man, so I go get the fish them clean up. Get the fish and clean up and thing. Yeah, I get the fish and clean up and thing and I put them up so I can make up them here. I make up them here when I shoot. Guys, I'm reaching back on land now. Yeah man, so I get the fish them clean up right now and get them string up on all of these things. Yeah man, cause I not sell them here one today. I put them up on the fridge, but if I get buyer for them today, I sell them same, you know. Yeah man, cause I have some upper customer want some fish. Yeah man, so I go clean them up and then we head off, go back down on the side, so I come down to White River side. Yeah man. All on our White River, I go. Yeah man, but I down towards the side, I walk go. Because I see I can get the fish themselves. Yeah man, so stay tuned and watch what I go on people. And hopefully We get the fish themselves. Yeah, man. Hey guys, this is what I come in with. Yeah, man, this is what I come in with. But I scale off them. So all I'm going to do is I got them. Yeah, man, I take out the belly out of them. Not going not much today. But this is how I go. This is how I go on with. Not much. Yeah, as you can see. 6 fish. And then really that big. But good size in the pan. Look on this jacket. That is a jacket, see, this is a Peder. See? Good size fish them. Yeah, man. But they're on a big one they like what me want, you know? Yeah, man, so good size them, good size of steam and thing. Yeah, man. Can fry them and cook them down. Anyway you choose to do them. You know, a nice size fish them. So I'll finish deal with them and string them up. Hey guys, so see fish them. Don't clean up and string up all these things. Yeah, man. Fish one wash out back and the rest them on the ground. The rest them on the ground right there, so. Wash out back, you know. Yeah, man. So stay tuned and watch what I'm going to do. I walk down from my location from there now. Yeah, man, I walk down from my location now and see if I can get the fish themselves, you know. Yeah, man. So stay tuned and watch what I go on.